Welcome back to Katie Quiz, brought to you by GBU Life. It is now time for the Katie Quiz Speed Round. And in this round, we have 10 questions prepared for each team. However, each team only has 60 seconds to answer as many of those questions as they can. We award 10 points for a correct answer. There are no deductions for incorrect answers or passes in this round. All three teams will be competing under the same category, and that category is starts with the letter G. All of their answers will begin with the letter G. Up first, Ambridge High School. We are going to start your 60-second clock in 3, 2, 1. Old Faithful in Yellowstone National Park is one of these geological features.
Geyser.
Element with the symbol AU and atomic number 79.
Gold.
African hoofed mammal. It is the tallest living terrestrial
Giraffe.
animal. Weapon with a metal tube from which bullets are propelled.
Gun.
Plant known for its warm, spicy flavor and is often used to soothe digestive issues, native to Southeast Asia.
Ginger.
Central American country south of Mexico and once the center of the Maya civilization.
Guatemala.
Machine with heavy blade used for beheading people.
Guillotine.
Any of the large muscles of the buttocks.
The glutes.
Gluteus.
Instrument or device for measuring the magnitude, amount, or contents of something.
The scale.
No. Mexican city that is the capital of Jalisco. And time is up. You went 8 for 10 in that round. That means you added 80 more points to your score, and that takes you up to a very nice 360. Nice job, Ambridge High School. Next up is Winchester Thurston School, and Winchester Thurston, it is still starts with the letter G, and we are going to start your 60-second clock here in 3, 2, 1. The largest predatory fish on Earth feeds on a broad spectrum of prey.
Great white shark.
Unit of volume equal to 4 quarts.
Gallon.
Country in Central Europe, its capital is Berlin.
Germany.
A berry typically used in making wine.
Grapes.
A large, slow-moving mass of ice.
Glacier. Glacier.
Large, robust animal, typically brown, and the second largest land carnivore in North America.
Grizzly bear.
DNA nucleotide base that pairs with cytosine.
Guanine.
An ugly creature or head cut from stone and attached to the roof of an old church.
Gargoyle.
A set of toothed wheels working together.
Gears.
Element with the symbol GD and atomic number 64.
Germanium.
Good guess on the last one, but it was gadolinium. And that was your last question. You went 9 for 10 in that round, adding 90 points to your score. And that still keeps you in the lead with 395 points. Great job, Winchester Thurston. Up next is our team from Montour High School. We're still doing starts with the letter G, so all your answers begin with the letter G, and your 60-second clock begins in 3, 2, 1. A game played on a large course in which a small hard ball is struck with a club. Building used for exercise and sport events. Country in southeastern Europe with thousands of islands, its capital is Athens. Insects, commonly green or brown, with long hind legs used for jumping and 2 pairs of wings. A bulbous plant known for its pungent aroma and flavor and widely used in cooking. Composer of Rhapsody in Blue.
Gerwin.
No. A small pear-shaped organ located in the upper right abdomen, just below. Say that again.
Gallbladder.
A device that measures orientation by using the principles of angular momentum.
Gyroscope.
Element with the symbol GA and atomic
Gallium.
number 31. 1848 treaty that ended the Mexican-American War.
Galveston.
Good guess, and that was your last question. You too went 8 for 10 in that round, adding 80 points to your score, taking you up to 360. Very nicely done, Montour. After the speed round, we never like to slow it down, so let's jump right into math time. In this round, we have 2 math-based questions for each team. We award 20 points for a correct answer. There is a 20-point deduction for any incorrect answers or passes given. Up first is our team from Ambridge, and Ambridge, here is your first question. Given the matrix shown and A equaling 7, what is this?
You said 77.
Good guess, but we were looking for 14 on that one. Here's your next question. Given the vectors shown, what is the sum of A plus B?
You say -2 and 9/14.
Unfortunately, that is not correct. We were looking for 7 and -9 for that one. We will have to drop some points off your score, but you still have 320 points on the board. So you're still doing great, Ambridge High School. Up next is our team from Winchester Thurston. And here is your first math time question. If f of x is equal to x plus 10, what is f of x minus 7?
X plus 3.
That is correct. Nicely done. Here's your next question. What are the coordinates of the image point N after a 180-degree counterclockwise rotation around the origin?
Yeah. -3, -5.
-3, -5 is correct. So you got both correct. That adds 40 points to your score, and that takes you up to 435 so far on the day. Very nicely done, Winchester Thurston. And finally up, we have our team from Montour High School. And Montour, here's your first math time question. Simplify the expression shown.
9.
9 is correct. And your next question, given the function shown, what is the domain of this?
All real numbers except for -5.
That is correct. Nicely done. You added 40 points to your score. That takes you up to an even 400 so far on the day. And our scores here are so close that it's still anyone's game to see who moves on to the final spot that we have in the finals of this season of Katie Quiz. And we're going to find that out as we head towards our final round, a round we call More or Less, coming up next.
KD Quiz is brought to you by GBU Life, providing life insurance, annuities, and community support since 1892.